there, aspiring web designers and creative minds. Welcome to the realm of Figma, a powerful design tool that's going to take your web design skills to a whole new level. Figma is a one-stop shop for designing, prototyping, and getting feedback, making it a critical tool for both beginners and seasoned designers. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning websites with ease and efficiency. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Stick around because we're about to dive in. Before we jump into Figma, let's cover the basics. The first step in any web design project is understanding the purpose of your website and who it's for. Are you creating an online store, showcasing your portfolio, starting a blog, or perhaps developing a unique platform of your own? This initial decision will guide your design process, so take a moment to think it through. Next, let's talk about wireframing. Wireframing is like creating a blueprint for your website. Grab a pen and paper or your favorite digital tool and start sketching the layout. Where will your headers, navigation bars, content, and footers go? Don't worry about the aesthetics just yet. Instead, focus on the functionality and user experience. Remember, a well-structured website is like a well-organized house. It makes visitors feel welcome and helps them find what they're looking for with ease. With your wireframe ready, let's dive into Figma. Next up, let's learn the essential tools and features in Figma. Figma, for those who might be unaware, is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you create stunning, professional quality designs with ease. So, let's get started. First off, you'll want to create a new Figma file. To do this, open up Figma and click on the New button. You'll be presented with a range of template sizes to choose from. The size you select will depend on the type of project you're working on. For example, if you're designing a website, you might opt for the desktop template. Once you've created your file, it's time to get to grips with layers and artboards. Layers are like sheets of glass stacked on top of each other. They help you organize your design elements and control how they overlap. Artboards, on the other hand, are like individual canvases or pages within your Figma project. You can have as many artboards as you like, and each one can contain its own layers and design elements. Next, let's talk about shapes and text. Figma offers a variety of shape tools such as rectangles, ellipses, and polygons, which you can use to create custom shapes. You can also add text to your designs using the text tool. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to experiment and get creative. Lastly, it's crucial to understand how to select, move, and resize objects in Figma. To select an object, simply click on it. To move it, click and drag. And to resize it, select the object and then drag the handles that appear around it. You can also adjust the properties of your objects, like their color and stroke, in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to start designing your website. Remember, the key to a successful design is practice and patience, so don't be discouraged if your first few designs aren't perfect. Keep at it and you'll improve over time. With the groundwork laid, it's time to start designing your website. This is where ideas come to life and your vision starts to take shape on the digital canvas. Let's start at the top with the header. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so it needs to make a strong impression. In Figma, you can design a visually appealing header that aligns with your brand's identity. Consider including your logo, a catchy tagline, and a navigation bar that's intuitive and easy to use. Remember, user-friendliness is just as important as aesthetics. Next, we move on to the content layout. This is where your wireframe becomes invaluable. It acts as a blueprint, guiding you on where to place elements like text, images, and buttons. With Figma, you can easily drag and drop these elements onto your canvas, creating a design that's both functional and visually appealing. Now, let's talk about color and typography. Choosing the right color palette and fonts is vital to creating a cohesive and visually engaging design. Figma offers a robust color picker and a wide array of fonts, giving you the freedom to experiment until you find the perfect combination that resonates with your brand's personality. Lastly, let's embellish our design with images and graphics. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in web design, the right image or graphic can elevate your website's look and feel. Figma allows you to easily add and edit images, icons, and other visual elements, giving you the power to create a visually stunning website. And there you have it. Your website design is coming together. But we're not done yet. A great website is more than just a static design. It's interactive, engaging, and dynamic. So, with the design in place, let's make your website interactive. Figma is not just for static designs. Let's make your website interactive. With Figma's prototyping features, you can link pages or elements together, transforming your static design into a clickable prototype. This gives you a real feel of how your website will work. But don't stop there. Add some sparkle to your design with animations and transitions. These can bring your site to life, creating a memorable and engaging user experience. Now let's explore Figma's collaboration features. Collaboration is key in web design. Figma makes it easy to work with others. It allows you to share your project with team members, clients, or stakeholders. You can invite them to view your work in real time, leave comments, and even make edits. This collaborative approach helps improve the design process, ensuring everyone's on the same page. Plus, Figma's feedback features are an excellent tool for gathering insightful suggestions and constructive criticisms. With feedback incorporated, let's finish up your website. Your website is taking shape. Now let's finish it up. Fine-tuning is essential to ensure your design looks great on all devices. This is where responsive design comes into play. It's all about flexibility and adaptability. Next, we move on to exporting assets for development. Figma makes this process a breeze. You can export your design assets in various formats, ready for coding. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on designing a website in Figma.